Integrated physical education. Integrated physical education. Physical education in totality. Earlier, physical education was limited in the field. Physical education means games and sports, athletics, football, volleyball, basketball, all these major games, kabaddi. But nowadays, the concept of physical education is something different. Now, all the parents, all the guardians, they want the all-round development of a child. Suppose a very good boy or a very good girl who is very much good in academics. They get very good marks, but they cannot interact. They are always sick. Physics is not permitting them. So what is the necessity of achieving a very good result? So nowadays, this is the demand of the parents for the modern futuristic society. All the parents want that their boys or girls, their words should be sound both physically and mentally. They must have the emotional balance. They must be physically fit. They must be socially fit. They must be mentally fit. They must have their emotional control. They must be physiologically fit. So that's why this has become a very common choice among the Indians. Europeans लोग का तो पहले से ही था. Even this is the high tide of physical education among the guardians. They, in the very good society, in the educated society, all the parents, almost all the parents, they want their children to be physically fit. So nowadays, and it is the demand of the modern futuristic society also. So only book learning is not at all the mere learning. So nowadays in physical education, a totality is there. Earlier physical education used to mean field only, football, volleyball, kabaddi, cricket, bat, ball, stumps, etc. But nowadays physical education is not at all confined in the field. It is not at all confined in the field. It is more than a field. Now in physical education, sports sociology is taught. Sports biomechanics is taught. Sports psychology is taught, which is very much important. And perhaps it is the, perhaps not perhaps, surely, it is a paper in B.Ed also, sports psychology. Child psychology, sports psychology, psychological factor रह ही जाता है. तो sports psychology, sports biomechanics, sports biochemistry, sports physiology, sports sociology, so many things are included in physical education. So why? Because it is the demand of the parents, it is the request of the society, demand of the society. The citizens should be all-round developed. There should be all-round and complete development in a child, and that is why, and as a result, so that he can exist in the society as one of the worthy members, respected, honor, with due respect, he can survive in the society. So this is integrated physical education in totality. Now the physical education has become the inseparable part of the mainstream of education. It was followed in advanced countries decades ago, but nowadays in India also we have found it. Both state government and central government have included physical education because this is quite necessary. Our younger generation must be aware about their physics, must be aware about their psychology, physiology, sociology, how to live in the society. So physical education helps in this, and integrated physical education is in totality. Now the lesson plan of physical education is as usual nowadays like the other subjects. So this is integrated physical education. Thank you so much.